Hello, everybody. Anita here. Today we're going to get right into it, and I want to encourage you with something. You are better than that. You are better than what they say you are, and you are better than what you think you are. You're better than all the labels that people have labeled you over the years. God has put inside of you something great. Just think about it. Think back to when you could dream big. You dreamt that you were a writer, a singer, a minister, a homeowner, whatever it is. You are bigger than those labels that people put on you. I don't care if you have a past or not. That's what you were attracting before. Now you have the power to attract what you want in your life. Love and laughter and success and being able to be what you want to be, what you truly wanted to be. Don't settle for what people put labels on you. Maybe you've been to jail. Maybe you haven't attracted such good things in your past. Wipe it out. Wipe it out right now and start attracting better. Change your life for the better. You can do this. You're not what they said you are. You're not what your abusers said you are. You're not what people in your past said you are. You are a unique individual made for success. You can do and attract what you want to do. Start talking about yourself the way you want to be. I am successful. I am prosperous. I am abundant. I am achieving great things in my life. I am able to change my life. I am able to attract the love I want, the people I want in my life. I am attracting people that are good for me. I am attracting people that love me and appreciate me. Start changing what you have in your life. Don't listen to the labels. Don't even listen to yourself. We all battle this at some point in our lives where we don't feel good enough. We may have addictions. We may have things that we don't want in our lives. We can get rid of those. Those are changeable things. God has placed in you a spirit to excel, to do great things, to help others. Use your pain for your passion. You can even build a business around it. Your pain, your hurt, your failures can help somebody else. And they're only failures in our lives if we view them that way. They're really lessons. We can raise up above them and use them to help show other people in the same circumstances the way to go and the way to get free from everything. So don't be labeling yourselves, and please don't listen to other people's labels. Years and years of this programming since we're children. Some of us, and myself included, was abused off and on during my lives. Raped, sodomized, hurt, beaten up, and everything. So, I know what I'm talking about and more. I'll go into depth at another time. But let me tell you, I am now helping people get free. One step at a time, get free from the labels. You are good enough, you can do it, and you can change your lives. Just start using the law of attraction to attract better. Just keep doing it day after day after day. You're going to do it anyway, and you don't want to attract anything from your past back in. You want to eliminate that and go a different route. You can do this. I'm adamant about it. there's many, many testimonies out there, not just mine, and you can do it. Take your life by the horns and start the process. Don't get down on yourself about negative thoughts. Here's a little trick here, is every negative thought you have, replace it with 3 positive ones. If you're having a down day and the woe is me comes into your mind or anything, just pull yourself back up and start proclaiming what you want. I am able. I am prosperous. I am abundant. I am achieving great success. I am helping millions of people. Whatever it is that you want to achieve, start saying that. And pretty soon you will see that less and less negative thoughts come to your mind. With that, I would just want to tell you, you are loved. God loves you. The universe loves you. Jesus loves you. You are so loved you don't even know it. The angels love you. So God bless you all, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Have a fabulous day. Bye for now.